Meet Sumit, a passionate professional and had a dream to start his company for AI/ML solution. He had an idea for healthcare industry where an AI/ML could improve customer experience. He was excited and highly motivated with his solution idea, and hence he left the job to start a company. He worked on framework, built a demo on time, and presented to few companies who approved his demo. Now it was a time to build and deliver the solutions. He hired few professionals, shared his ideas and allocated the work. Every day, he had to follow up with team to get the planned work done. Resolve day-to-day conflicts. Motivate and manage the team members. The status he found was way beyond the timeline for delivery. Now he is spending more time on people management rather than operations. One day, he met his friend Vikram, a successful startup and now has few happy clients. Vikram listened his problem and shared that he too fell into the same trap when he started the business. He explained that it's not a people problem, it's a process problem. The day he realized the criticality of process, his focus on problem and their solution are changed. He suggested few recommendations. Define roles and responsibilities as per process requirement. Set project management process with defined milestones and process KPIs. Define people target and align to process KPIs. How do you know all this? And how can I get help in establishing this process approach? Fortunately, I had a friend in Q3 Edge who explained and helped me to plan and implement this solution. I will connect you with my friend in Q3 Edge Consulting so that you also get right team to support and guide you.